burning, looting, killing. We noticed this change and we realized that the ANC government is on a disastrous track and that there will eventually be nothing left of this country. Infrastructure is being destroyed. Everything is being burned down. The parliament in South Africa, with the latest incident for Fort Hare University in the Eastern Cape that was burned down. And whenever there is people, masses, who is unhappy about service delivery by the elected government, they turn to destroying everything that they can, burning, looting, killing.